जन्म जन्म है तू ही मेरे पास माँ, जन्म जन्म वो तू ही ज़मीं आसमां। जन्म जन्म वो तू ही मेरे पास माँ, जन्म जन्म वो तू ही ज़मीं आसमां। ये है खबर दिल में कहीं रब रहता है मगर मेरे दिल में रहती भोली भाली मेरी माँ, मेरे दिल में रहती भोली भाली मेरी माँ। पगली है दुनिया रब को मनाने, मंदिर मज़ारों तक जाती है। घर में ही मेरे होता है तीरथ, मुझको नज़र जब पाती है, मुझको नज़र जब पाती है। जन्म जन्म है तू ही मेरे पास माँ, जन्म जन्म वो तू ही ज़मीं आसमां। ये है खबर दिल में कहीं रब रहता है मगर मेरे दिल में रहती भोली भाली मेरी माँ, मेरे दिल में रहती भोली भाली मेरी माँ।
Hello friends, I am Anuja to nurture you on Teachers Day. Every student nowadays blames teachers. Why? Teachers are also human beings, mistakes happen. But if a teacher gives you half of the information, it is up to you to find the complete. So don't blame teachers, blame yourselves that you couldn't find the complete. Lord Buddha said that no one in this whole world is born pure and perfect. If you avoid people for the little mistakes, you will always be alone. So judge less and love more. One of the most powerful entity in this whole world are teachers. चाणक्य, one of the best gurus in the history of India, said that जिस गुरु ने एक अक्षर भी सिखाया हो उस गुरु का सम्मान करो. Teachers are the best because they bring out the best in us. Teachers help us to find something that we lose every day. Sometimes it's a paper, pencil, eraser, and other times it's confidence, courage, or a little smile on your face. At last, I would like to salute all my teachers for their passion, commitment, contribution, and I would also like to tell them that whenever someone asks you that why would someone ever become a teacher, remind them why it's worth it. Every job has its ups and downs, but not every job can change a little life. Thank you.
ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर् साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. A teacher takes a hand, opens the mind and touches the heart. With this mesmerizing thought, let's get a step forward into today's Teachers' Day program. Myself Anishka, and today the students of grade 8 have got a golden opportunity to celebrate Teachers' Day in front of you all. Today is the day to thank all of them who support us, who guide us, who inspire us and who teach us. So let's say them all together a very happy Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day has a high priority in a student's life. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September on the birthday of late Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was one of the greatest teachers of India. He later became a successful president of India. It is celebrated to express our gratitude towards the teacher and to appreciate the hard work done by them for a student's life. And today we all have gathered here for celebrating this day. Today is the special occasion for all of us where we can express our gratitude towards the teacher and our heartful welcomes to the teachers. Today, teacher gives her untiring efforts for the student to build his or her future. It is celebrated all across the India to pay our heartfelt tributes and the contributions to the society. The word teacher means simple, like T for talented, E for excellent, A for amazing, C for calm, H for happy, E for enthusiastic, and R for rocking. But it means something different. So, to explain the meaning of this, we have Samiksha Gugre along with us who will tell more about teachers and the importance of teacher in our life. Thank you.
Their mind, guide their thoughts, share their achievements and advise their effort. They inspire a love of knowledge and truth as you light the path which gives your youth. For our future brightness, each lesson they teach, each smile they lend, and each goal they help reach. For the dawn of each poet, each philosopher and the king begins with a teacher and the wisdom they bring. With this beautiful thought, I, Samiksha, want to express my views on this beautiful occasion of Teachers' Day. Teachers are the one who help us to be a better human being and an informed one. Teachers' Day is also observed as the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. People across India come together to celebrate this day. It's rightly said that one child, one book, one pen and one teacher can change the whole world. Because teachers are the first guiding step in this big world. Greatest lessons are learned in the classroom. Sometimes they may feel rushed, but somewhere after a decade, everything comes practically and hence bookish lessons come to life. They help us to believe in ourselves and let us grow beyond our potential. They also gives us wings to fly and nourish ourselves to bloom. Dearly friends, teachers are the roots of plants which help us to grow high and high and high. At last, I want to wrap up by saying that it takes a special person to teach a child in class to just keep his attention in a world that moves so fast. To show a child his unique with talents deep inside, to just build his confidence so he can beam with pride. To inspire and to motivate so a child can learn and grow, to go into this big wide world that has its heights and lows. You are so best. You always give your best. The child who is in your class, their life is truly blessed. Thank you.
आदर्शों की मिसाल बनकर बाल जीवन संवारता शिक्षक, सदाबहार फूल सा खिलकर महकता और महकता शिक्षक, नित नए प्रेरक आयाम लेकर हर पल में भव्य बनाता शिक्षक। आदरणीय पाल्य शिक्षकगण और मेरे प्रिय छात्रों मित्रों, मैं पारमिता गोपनारायण कक्षा 9वीं की छात्रा आज आपके सामने शिक्षक दिवस के उपलक्ष्य पर मेरे विचार प्रकट करना चाहती हूँ। सबसे पहले मैं यहाँ पर मौजूद सभी शिक्षक और शिक्षिकाओं को मेरे तहे दिल से हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। भारत में शिक्षक दिवस की शुरुआत 1965 से हुई थी। भारत के पूर्व उपराष्ट्रपति डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन का शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में बहुत बड़ा योगदान रहा है। उनका जन्म दिनांक 5 सितंबर को हुआ था। उनके उपराष्ट्रपति बनने के बाद उनके कुछ छात्रों और मित्रों ने उनका जन्मदिन मनाने की बात की। यह सुनकर वे बोले कि मेरा जन्मदिन मनाने की जगह शिक्षक दिवस मनाया जाए तो मुझे गर्व होगा। तब से आज तक हर साल 5 सितंबर को शिक्षक दिवस मनाया जाता है। शिक्षक वह दीपक है जो हमारे अंदर ज्ञान का उजाला भरते हैं। एक शिक्षक ही हमें मार्गदर्शन कर हमारे जीवन को उजाल बनाते हैं। महान कवि कबीरदास जी ने भी कहा है कि यदि हमारे सामने शिक्षक और भगवान हो तो हमें सबसे पहले शिक्षक के चरण स्पर्श करने चाहिए, क्योंकि एक शिक्षक ही हमें मार्गदर्शन कर भगवान तक पहुंचाने का सही रास्ता दिखाते हैं। जिस प्रकार हमारे शरीर को भोजन की ज़रूरत होती है, उसी प्रकार हमें जीवन में आगे बढ़ने और ऊंचाइयों को हासिल करने के लिए शिक्षा की ज़रूरत होती है। हम सभी छात्र, सभी शिक्षकों को उनके महान कार्य के, उनके योगदान के लिए आभार व्यक्त करते हैं। अंत में मैं कबीरदास जी का दोहा कहकर अपने भाषण को विराम देना चाहती हूँ। गुरु बिन ज्ञान न उपजे, गुरु बिन मिले न मोश, गुरु बिन लिखे न सत्य को, गुरु बिन मेटे न दोष। धन्यवाद।
आठ समंदर अपना अंबर खोज ले, अब तू अपने दम पर भूख मार के धूल झाड़ ले, छोड़ छाड़ के सारे छप्पर। आठ समंदर अपना अंबर खोज ले, अब तू अपने दम पर भूख मार के धूल झाड़ ले, छोड़ छाड़ के सारे छप्पर। खोल दे पर, खोल दे पर, खोल दे पर।
Hello and a very good morning to one and all present over here. I am Shruti and today I am going to present a speech in front of you. The light of the world, the becoming of the dark and the hope that gives us strength to survive is our teacher. Today we celebrate Teachers' Day. A day kept aside to honor the gifted souls who work every day to make sure that the future is bright for all of us. On this beautiful occasion, let us take the opportunity to convey our wishes towards our dear teacher, who have given an impeccable contribution in shaping us. Every year, 5th September, we celebrate as Teachers' Day. It is a day filled up with lots of joy, excitement and happiness, as students are eagerly looking forward to tell their teacher how and why they are so special for them. It is my honor to talk about our dear teachers on this wonderful occasion. 5th September is celebrated as Teachers' Day every year in India. 5th September is marked as the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Along with being a great leader in the form of the President of the country, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was a great scholar and an excellent teacher. There is a saying that teachers are greater than parents, as parents give birth to a child, but teachers mold that child's personality and provide a bright future to them. Apart from academics, teachers stand by us at every step to guide, motivate and inspire us to become better people. From them leads the ideas and thoughts that one day each one of us will use to provide back into the society. I would like to extend my gratitude to every teacher for selfless service and dynamic support. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone. Firstly, I would like to wish each and every teacher a happy Teachers' Day. Myself Shubha, and today I am very glad to have this opportunity to present my own poems on this auspicious occasion of Teachers' Day. My first poem is Teacher a Glare. It is said that a teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself and lights the way for others. We also say that she is our second mother. A teacher not only motivates and guides, but also helps and cares. That's why in every student's life and mind, she glares. And my second poem is Favorite Teacher. New day, new class, and the first day of school. More excitement and worries plentiful. But when our favorite teacher enters the class, it feels like in front is a cold coffee glass. Then the day starts with the happiness that fills our hearts. The teaching and fun also gets started when the favorite teacher starts teaching who is very wholehearted. We are very thankful to you, teacher. We could fight all our resolvents because you are our best consultant. As the least of all, here's my third poem, Teacher, Our Backbone. Roses are red, violets are blue. We are blessed because of you. You gave us the knowledge that increased our confidence and courage. You guided and shown us the right path, because of which a great success we got. You struggled to give us the best thing as you can, to make us the world's best man. Thank you, teachers, for your precious efforts. We will also try our best by leaving all our comforts. Teacher, you are so tolerant and strong as a stone. That makes us proudly say, you are our backbone. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Snehal Balakrishna Kandare from 9th Sulu, and today I am here to express my views on the occasion of Teachers' Day. They guide us, they support us, they motivate us, they inspire us. Today is the day to thank them and say Happy Teachers' Day. Every year, 5th of September is celebrated as Teachers' Day. It is the day filled with joy, happiness and excitement as students are eagerly looking forward to tell their teachers how crucial role they play in shaping the life of a student. It's my great honor to talk about our respected teachers. A teacher plays a significant role in the life of a student. They motivate kids to pursue their dream and make them better personalities for future. In India, we celebrate Teachers' Day marking the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was a great scholar and the second president of India. Teachers serve the whole nation in a commendable way by building the students with the best of knowledge. We are always thankful for our teachers. Not only this day, we can acknowledge the efforts of our teacher every day by making them feel proud of us. Concludingly, I would like to say that a teacher is a brilliant light illuminating the prism of life and revealing to students a rainbow of possibilities. Dear teachers, thanks for igniting my imaginations and instilling in me the love for learning. A huge gratitude and respect towards our teachers. Thank you very much.
Hello and a hearty good morning to one and all present over here. I am Samiksha Rao And I am Anushka Thorat.
We are the students of 8th Sierra CBSC. First of all, we would like to wish all our dear teachers
A very happy Teachers' Day.
and on this auspicious occasion, we would like to sing a short and sweet song for all our lovely teachers.
I want to dedicate this song to you because you care for me. With you I feel safe and secure. You really care for me. If something happens in the class that brings me down and makes me sad, you're there for me. And when I'm stuck and don't know what to do, you're there to guide me. I wake up in the morning and I know it's gonna be another fun day. There's not a day that passes by when you don't throw me a smile. I like the way you dress, so excited about the things you're gonna teach us. And every day is different 'cause we're learning more and more about life.
Hey teacher, thanks for inspiring hope in me, igniting my imagination and instilling in me a love of learning. It's my privilege to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion, and actually I don't have any words to express it. First of all, I would like to thank to our respected principal sir who gave us a golden opportunity to celebrate this program. I would like to thank to our teachers who guided us and took efforts for this program. I would also like to thank to all the participants of 8th, 9th and 10th standard who actively participated and made this program successful. The essence of the fruit is tasted at the last, and we believe last will be best ever. So I would like to thank to all the students for being with us. Thank you.